Welcome back. It's a major reshuffle in state administration. State government on Tuesday issued transfer orders of 19 Grade 1 officers. 13 are transferred, whereas 6 are posted with promotions.
SV Naik, Director of Admin GMC, has been transferred as Project Director DRTA North. Swapnil Naik, Director of Tourism, has been transferred as Director of Admin GMC. Sanjeev Gadkar, Director of Women and Child Development, has been transferred as Additional Secretary Home. Amar Sen Rani, Additional Collector to North, has been transferred as Additional Director of Vigilance. Sunil Masurkar, Additional Director of Vigilance, has been transferred as Director of Women's and Child Development. J. Bingi, Chief Officer of Madgaon Municipal Council, has been transferred as Registrar of Cooperative Societies. P.K. Vaib, Registrar of Cooperative Societies, has been transferred as Secretary of Goa State Information Commission. Trinet Kotwale, Director of IT, has been transferred as Chief Officer of Madgaon Municipal Council. Deepak Desai, CEO of Khadi and Village Industries Board, has been transferred as Additional Collector to North. Jayant Tari, Additional Director of Panchayat 2, has been transferred as Additional Director of Panchayat 1. Venancio Futardo, Director of Admin DHS, has been transferred as SLAO Goa IDC. Shiv Kumar, Deputy Director and SDM Kankon, has been transferred as Additional Director 1 North. Nilesh Fardesai, HOD IT GEC, has been transferred as Director of IT Porvoori. 6 are posted on promotion. L.S. Pereira, Deputy Collector Rent Control Murgaon, to Additional Director Panchayat 2. B.S. Kudalkar, Under Secretary Health 1, to Director Admin DHS. Deepak Bandekar, Assistant Director of Mines and Geology, to Additional Commission of Commercial Taxes. Ashok Redkar, Project Officer DRDA South, to CEO Khadi and Village Industries Board. Pushpalata Arlekar, Deputy Director Admin GMC, to MD Goa State SC and OBC Finance and Development Corporation. And VP Dangi has retained post of Secretary of State Election Commission. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
It's monsoon and plantation is a hobby for many. Usually people flock to nurseries for saplings. But are we aware of their organic cultivation that's without using any fertilizers and pesticides? Mamaya Nursery teaches you all this natural biocontrol of plants. Watch this report.
This is Mahamaya Nursery in Bichuri. Students and enthusiasts visit this farm especially to study the organic techniques and processes of craft cultivation. Organic processes do not use fertilizers and pesticides for better growth and protection to the plants. Yes, there is such a pure natural process. Mahamaya teaches you all that goes into growing plants naturally. Kids and students enjoy this activity very much. School students recently paid a visit to this farm.
Method असता. So we wanted that to know.
What should we put for growing the plants and more things about these diseases.
To make them aware about the things that are available in what we call traditionally as kulagars.
Mingel Braganza informed us more on the nursery, organic cultivation technique and processes.
Learning here how to grow without fertilizers, without pesticides, using cow dung, compost and other manures and using natural biocontrol.
Uday Parab for Prudent Media.
A workshop on cruise tourism is being organized by Ministry of Shipping and Tourism Ministry of India in coordination with MPT. The workshop will go on till 4th July in Vasco. Chairman of MPT, P. Marapandian, said that cruise tourism is in a significant stage. Pandian is hopeful to berth biggest ship of draft of 9.5 meter deep in sea in India.
So we are ready to receive the biggest ship the port to increase the economy or increase the cruise tourism in the country. And only one thing I told them, the kind of activity what we are doing, the kind of investment what we are doing, we should also go with the number of calls in the port so that Indian economy really flourishes.
The two-day workshop on cruise tourism will focus mainly in ensuring safety of passengers, tourism attraction in India, tourism infrastructure, port connectivity, customs and immigration process. South Goa MP Francisco Sardinia said tourism should grow to increase.
You and the government. So the question is, nobody has the right to impose one so-called right ideas on others. We're in a secular country, we're in a democratic country. That's why I said, live and let live, these two things should go together.
Surendra Madkekar for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.